Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Zero E, and full disclaimer, I do work for Microsoft, but on the side, I do photography as well as podcasting, and I want to tell a story, and I hope everyone can be educated today and know that technology is not scary at all. It's actually fun and exciting to learn and do and so much stuff. I'm going to keep rambling on, but I want to tell you a story. So, as you know, uh, with a business, you have to track your miles, and I printed out my mileage right here, but I realized I need to input this data. I know it's a little bit hard to see, so we're gonna put it on the screen right here. But I imported my, I want to import my data and put it in Excel. Now, being a small business, depending on how long your mileage could be on a piece of paper, that could be a lot of inputting. And if you're by yourself and you're starting out, you don't want to do that. So how do we take something as a data table that's printed out and digitize it and have it be on the computer? And today I want to show you that with the Office application right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive into Office. I use a lot of the Microsoft 365 products and the Office app that is on my phone. That is my app of choice that I use because it compiles both Word, PowerPoint, Excel, sticky notes in there, and a lot of other cool features too as well. But I am using Microsoft 365 subscription for my business as well. So there might be a lot of like advanced features built in. So if you're on like the 365 subscription, you might get a lot more premium features than if you don't have it. But enough of me rambling, let's dive in. And I like to do this in real time. So let's cue up the phone screen. All right. So you can see right here, I have the Office app on my phone, so I'm just gonna open that up. But you could go into your Play Store if you're on an Android, or your App Store if you're on iOS, Apple, to download this app on your mobile device. So I'm gonna click on Office, and you can see it shows me like my Word, my PowerPoint, my Excel documents that I'm working on. So it keeps things nice, neat, and organized. All right, so I'm gonna hit this plus key here at the bottom, and I'm gonna select Word, Excel, and PowerPoint right here. So we're gonna click on that, and you can see it gives me a lot of different things I can choose from, but we're gonna focus on the scan table in Excel. So we're gonna click on Scan Table, and now it's gonna open up my camera right here. So we're just gonna hover over here, and I'm just gonna highlight this, and I'm just gonna take a quick snapshot. Make sure you have decent lighting for this to work. Now you can see that it's able to capture everything right here for me. So I can like move these anchor points around just to make sure everything is in frame. It looks all good. So I'm gonna hit confirm. Now this is where that magic happens, that wonderful AI magic. And it's gonna extract all this. This is amazing. Now it's extracting it right here. Now I'm just gonna go over. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Now you might see like some pink highlighted. So what that is conveying is there any mistakes or misspellings, or are the numbers mismatched? But to me, everything looks good. Let's look on the screen just to make sure. But I think everything looks decent. It looks good. So I'm gonna hit open. I could review it, but everything looks fine to me. So I'm gonna hit open right now. All right, so I just opened this right now. Now it's opening up in Excel for me right here on my phone. So I'm looking at this and I'm like, everything is looking great. But I don't want it to say book. I want to go up here and I want to rename this. So I'm gonna rename this one. This was my April 2020 mileage, and I like to do this in real time so everyone can see the real stuff. All right. I think I spelled that wrong. I spelled millage. Mileage. All right. There we go. There we go. All right. So I have it right here on my phone. Now, you might be like, Arrow, how do I take this from my phone to my computer? Well, the beautiful thing is when I signed into here, I made sure my default was set to save to my OneDrive, my cloud. And the cloud is very important. And why I utilize the cloud is because I'm able to access it across all my devices. So I'm going to show you right now how I took this from my phone and it's going automatically to transfer to my computer. Now I don't have to do anything. As long as I'm signed in, I'm good. So I'm going to open up the start menu on my computer and I'm going to open up Excel right here. Now automatically Excel is going to open up and I can see right here it says April 2020 mileage, not millage. So I'm going to click there and automatically there is my actual document right here. So I'm just going to highlight this and I'm going to format it just to make sure everything looks good. Now I have a digital copy of this. So now I can store that for my records. So I don't need to just have this paper copy anymore. So now that it's digital, it saves me time of inputting data and wasting all that time when I could do something a little bit more productive instead of sitting behind a computer inputting that data. I just cut my time literally not even in half, in like seconds, literally. So I hope everyone learned a thing or two about Excel and Office app and the power of AI. It's so simple. Technology is amazing. Once you get your hands on it, it can change your world. It can change your business. So this is Arrow E of Every Moment with Arrow E, of Arrow E Photography. I just hope everyone had a great time just learning. So hope everyone's doing good. Stay safe out there. Peace.